Do you know that there are some unusual side hustles that you can start this 2022? I'm going to reveal 6 of them to you. These ones, nobody talks about them. Number 3 will shock you. So endeavor not to skip this video at any point, okay? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Jafego Okoriko, popularly known as Fesky. In this channel, I share valuable content about meat importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this is what you want, do not hesitate to smash the red subscribe button down below, and also turn on your notification bell icon so you get notified each time I drop new videos. My returning subscribers, thank you so much. You know I love you. Alright, so I'll be telling you about 6 side hustles that you can do this 2022 that nobody's talking about. Number 1 is online fitness. There are a lot of persons that they want to look good, okay? They want to look fit, they want to keep fit. And so you can organize online classes for them, how to keep fit. You can train people. You can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, you can use Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels, just any of these social medias, okay, to create that engagement. When you give them value, then they can opt in for any of the trainings that you offer them, and then you train them and you make money from it. Then number 2 is online tutor. You can be a tutor online if you're good at a particular subject, okay, maybe English or mathematics or physics, whichever one. So you can teach people on that subject. There are different websites that you can go to so that you apply as an online tutor. You can search for them. All right, then number 3, before I move over to number 3 that will shock you, do not hesitate to click on the like button, okay? And then if you haven't subscribed, smash it right now, okay? So number 3 is you can get paid for dancing. Yes, just for dancing you can get paid. And how can you do that? You can do that on Fiverr. A lot of people offer that on Fiverr. If you go to Fiverr, I've already filmed a video on how you can create an account on Fiverr. I'll leave the link up here, okay? So you can click on it and watch it if you haven't done so. All right, so on Fiverr you can just type in dancing. Okay, you will see a lot of persons that offer that. So some companies, or perhaps some people, they have music video or whatever it is they want to use it for. They'll just go there and search for people who can dance, and then they get paid. If you check, you will see some of their videos, the ones they've created already, they are dancing. Okay, so if you're good at dancing, then that's a good opportunity for you to make money. Okay, then number 4 is cooking. If you're good at cooking anything, different dishes, then you can monetize it. For example, you can just create, you might create a group, or you will tell your family, friends, neighbors that you can prepare this dish. Or if you're in school, okay, if you know how to prepare a particular dish and people have tasted, like when I was in school, there is this particular stew I like preparing. It's called pepper stew. I just use pepper. My neighbors, they love it. When they taste it, they love it so much. They enjoy it. So with that, I can be able to monetize it. Had it been I know this back then, okay? So if you're good at any of these dishes, you just prepare it and then you monetize it. Maybe tell person, okay, you want this dish, you enjoy it, all right, I'll go get it for you. It's like this is the subtotal. I'll go get it for you. You prepare it and you deliver to the person. You get your money, okay? Then number 5 is cleaning service. You can do it yourself, or perhaps you hire people to do it. For example, you might create flyer if you have the money, or you just create a digital. Yes, I've already filmed a video on that too, how you can make use of Canva to create different things. So you can also use that to create a flyer. I'll leave the link up here, so you go there, check it out, okay? So you just make this awareness, create this awareness that you can be able to do cleaning service. Maybe, for example, there are apartments that people want to pack in. Okay, it requires cleaning. All right, so you can do it yourself, or perhaps hire people to do it. When you liaise with the person, okay, this is the amount you will take, okay, to carry out this cleaning in this particular building or this particular house. Then you get your employers to tell them how much you pay them, and you take your cuts without doing anything, just getting the job. Okay, or perhaps you do it yourself. You go, you wash clothes, or you clean the house, whatever. You make money out of it, cleaning service. Then number 6 is laundry. Okay, laundry. A lot of persons do it and they're making money out of it. So you just wash for people, you iron, and then you make money out of it. So any of these side hustles is something you can do. If there are other ones, please leave it in the comment section. Or perhaps if there are others that you've done before, just let us know your experience down below. All right, thanks so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you got value. Please do not hesitate to click on the like button and share. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, do not hesitate to smash the red subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.